So I'm taking him to go outside and it's snowing and he's like trying to catch snow. Just wait. Just wait. You'll see him trying to catch snow eventually. Oh, dog. I need to fix you with the leash here. Here, let me help you real quick. Okay, I think now he's going to find a place to go to the bathroom. Or not. Oh, yeah, he is. Okay. Sorry, bad time to show camera. What's that? We're not trying to go where you go, silly. I'm gonna take him to get the mail. But look, he loves the snow. He's trying to eat it. What are you doing? Okay. It's just so adorable. Wish I'll try to catch snowflakes again. So you guys could see he was doing that. Hey, buddy! Huh? Not gonna catch snowflakes?